I'm pleased to share some highlights from our interim results for the 6 months ended 30th of September 2023. Our NAV per share after performance fee increased by 0.8% to 160.2 and the IRR of our invested capital now stands at 16.6%, reflecting the resilient performance of the portfolio in challenging macroeconomic conditions. Growth continues across our portfolio, with our top 10 holdings representing 82% of portfolio value, growing revenue at an average of 74% year on year. Despite that strong growth, we continue to demonstrate a prudent approach towards valuation across the portfolio. We have an implied forward revenue multiple of 4.8 times across our top 10 holdings. The aggregated value of our top 3 holdings in Tide, Grover and Zopa, plus current cash, is above Augmentum's current market capitalization. These positions demonstrate their credentials as fintech market leaders, growing revenues by an average of over 1,200% since the company's investment. We have also seen a number of successful fundraisers and acquisitions across the portfolio. Zopa successfully raised £75 million in Tier 2 capital to fuel its growth and rapid expansion, while post-period end, Iwaka secured a new debt facility with commitments of £200 million from Barclays Bank plc and Verde Partners, while Onfido acquired digital identity technology company Airside. We remain a highly selective investor and continue to apply strict pricing discipline in investment processes, being prepared to walk away when terms depart from fundamentals. During the period, we made one follow-on investment of £5.3 million into Volt as part of a £48 million investment round, and post-period end we invested a further £4.2 million in Tide. During the period, Cushion's acquisition by NatWest Group completed, which delivered an IRR of 62% with proceeds for Augmentum of £22.8 million. Fintech remains one of the most resilient sectors in the face of continued macroeconomic uncertainty, and markets are starting to exhibit the early signs of a shift in sentiment. Each new advance in technology, such as those seen this year with AI, adds momentum to the structural trends driving digitization across the economy. Penetration of fintech remains below 2%, and global fintech revenue is forecast to grow 500% by 2030. The companies that make up our portfolio and current pipeline are at the forefront of a significant market opportunity. Augmentum remains a unique way for investors to share in it too. With over £50 million of available cash at period end and no debt, we remain well capitalized, while our sector specialism and experience are key competitive advantages that leave us well positioned for the period ahead.